Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the second session of the topic numbers. So let me take to you the presentation of this topic. Yeah. So place value and the face value of the digits. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the face value as well as the place values. So when we speak about these contents, almost in the previous classes you have learned till the two-digit numbers, how they form the place values, or the three-digit numbers too. So today we are going to learn many other aspects of this topic also. So let me take you to the video related to this that will help you to understand in a better, interesting way. So yeah, so here is the video about this. So the place value and the face value of the digits. So when we have 1000 as a number, so look at the place values of each. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit number. So place value determines us to help us to know what is the place value. So you can see across two, six thousands, and say another example 5023 where 2 is the tens place. So 2000. So if I say 2350, how many? So you would have said as 20 or 2000. So the face values of the digits are the same, the digit itself. So if say for example 555, of course the place values would be different, but the face values remain the same, that is the digit itself. So it would be 5, 5 and 50 and 500. So this is the place values as well as the face values which we have studied. So let me take to the presentation and let us have a small example for the same. So here can you see an example 2064, that is read as 2064. If I want to write the place value of it, the place value of 2 is in thousands place, so you represent it as 2000. The face value remains the same digit itself. 0 is in the hundreds place, so the place value of it, that is 0 into 100, remains 0. Same, the face value also remains the same. 6 place value here is in the tens place, so you write the place as 60, whereas the face value remains the digit 6 itself. The place value of 4 is in ones place, so it is written as 4 and the face value remains the same. So this is how we go for. Next, leading ahead, that is we have the expanded and standard form of a number. Expanded form of 7851. Let us try for this. That is 7851. So 7000 plus we have 800 plus 50 plus 1. Same way we have, if we have to write the standard form, that is vice versa of expanded, you write it as 3535. So it is as simple as it is. Leading ahead, let's move on to exercise 1.3. Let us write the place value of the underlying digits. So I am going to solve one of the example for you. Say 5196. Here the place value of 9 is, if you see the place value of 9 here, it will come as in the tens place, that is 90. Similarly, try question B, C and D as the drill for yourself. Next we have fill in the blanks, that is in 3174 the place value of 1 is, can you guess what would be the place value of 1? Yeah, it is 100. Next, in 4235, there are how many thousands? If you consider 4235, if you represent this in the abacus also, you will be clearly making it out the answer for itself. Yeah, it is 4 thousands. Similar, In 1002, there are how many ones? Can you guess? Yes, it is 1002 ones. Because when you multiply 1002 into 1, that would be the result we get. 1056, the place value of 1 is, yes, it is 1000. Same way, we have 9820, which is written as 9000 plus what would be the missing number here to be placed after 1000, that is, yes, of course, 100. So it is 800 plus 20 plus c. Great. So let's move ahead. Find the difference in the place values of each. So when I say the place values of each are how many, so let me try with question B as say ones in 8150. The first number if you take, that is 1, what is the place value of 1 here? Yes, it is 100. Whereas the place value of 1 in the other one, we consider that as the units place, 100 minus 1. So the difference you will get 99. Similarly, I want you to solve question A, C, D as drill for yourself. So let us write the expanded form of the following numbers. Expanded form of the following numbers. So for example, I take question A, 8478. So how is it written? Yeah, is it written 8478? Same way, question B, if I have to try with, say 2905. We would write this as 2 in the thousands, so 2905. Since we have the tens place, there is no digit, so we are directly rating the number as 5. So let us move on to the next line. Yeah, writing the following numbers in the standard form. 3053. So 3000, we don't have anything in the hundreds place, so we are marking as 0. Next we have 50 and 3. So 3053. Same. Let's try with the second. That would come 1000 plus 500 plus 42. So it is 1540. Same way, try for question C, D, E, F as practice. Let's move ahead, writing the successor of each of the following numbers. So when we consider writing this, let us look in one of our short video explaining this in a more better way, how the predecessor and successor see. Yeah. So here we go with the next video, that is about successor and predecessor. So in this module, we are going to learn about the predecessor and successor of a number. So if we consider, say, a few examples of this, successor means it refers to something that comes after successor of apple. What is successor of apple? Yeah, it is orange. So if I ask you the question similarly, you are able to say what would be the successor. So same goes. The predecessor of orange is apple. Yeah, that is before and after. So this is same as we say in terms of months also. Now let us see if at all 50 plus 1, what we get? 51. So we call 51 as the successor of 50. If we take 50 minus 1, that is 49. So we call 49 as the predecessor of 50. So that means overall when we say successor, we add with 1. That is the successor of a given number is 1 more than the given number. And the predecessor of a given number is less than the given number. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed learning with this video. So again, we'll move back to the presentation. Let us solve the exercise based on this. Can you tell me what would be the successor of 3468? Any guess? 3468. Yes, it would be 3467. See, 8 is the digit in the units place. So before 8, what is the number? So the question, yes, exactly. Here we have the question as successor of each of the following. Predecessor means the previous. Successor means the next. So be very careful in writing them and reading the question. 3468, the next number after 3468, that is when you add 1, you get 3469. So it is called as the successor of this number 3468. So let us try with the next one. Say I will take question D. What is the successor of 2959? So we have 2959. When we add 1, or the next number would be 2960. Right? So this is the answer for the successor. Let's lead ahead to the predecessor. Predecessor, as we just now saw, it is the previous number of the given. So we have 6998. What is the number before this? Yeah, exactly. It is 6997. Okay. Yeah. So let's see with the last one, that is 9741. That is 9741. The number before this would be 9740. So I request you to solve the questions of question 1, B, C, D, and question number 2, B, C, D, E, F, and G as practice for yourself. Next we have, let us see or search out what is the missing number in this sequence. So we have 1213. What would be the next number after 1213? Yeah, it is 1240. Correct? So same way, it's very simple, I hope. So you would be able to solve the question B and C, D. Okay. So next period, we'll be studying more about this topic. Till then, see that you revise the content again, what we have learned in the previous class also, and same with this present class. So take care, children. Thank you.